Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be reviewing the Flower Beauty by Drew Barrymore, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you guys wanted to find out what my thoughts and review are on this Flower Beauty by Drew Barrymore, please keep on watching. All the Flower Beauty products that I've actually used today, I've actually purchased them all from Chemist Warehouse. Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray Matte Finish. You know, when you use the setting spray, you know, like some setting spray, when you spray it, it actually leaving like a wet effect. You have to wait for the setting spray to dry on your face, but this one it's not. I got a tiny bit of scent to it when I spray it, but it smells really nice. Brushes, I've actually used the Ultimate Trouble Brush Set. It's also come in a pouch bag. You can actually put your makeup brushes on. It said in here it's called the blush or the contour brush, but I actually use this to bronze my face during the application. You actually got your powder brush. I actually use this as my blush. The eyeshadow brush, I've actually used this as the transition shade all over my lid. I've also applied that on underneath my my lower lashes. Lastly is the eyeliner brush face palette. I actually got a magnet on the bottom. It's got a very heavy duty cardboard that they use for the case. Pro, it's your eyeshadow shades. So you got your shimmer shade, you actually got your lighter shade which is a matte, you also get your darker matte shade. So you guys can see. Then I'm gonna go and swatch the lighter shade. Okay, all the formula on this palette, guys, they're actually very powdery. I find it that this darker shade is a lot powdery, so you just have to be careful, guys. And in the middle, it's got your two blushes. So that's the first blush. This is more like a coral shade. Coral, so I think it looks like a bit of pink on the camera, but it's actually a coral shade when I swatch it. And this has got more like a purpley undertone, like purpley pinkish undertone, the first one. On these sides, both these ends here, this side here and that side, so this is your bronzer. That's your bronzer. It's got a little bit of sheen to it. Here it's got your highlighter. It's called the champagne highlighter. So and then that's the highlighter. So with this shimmer, I actually use a different brush because I actually don't have enough brush in there, but I actually use a flat brush like this, and I've just wet it with MAC Fix Plus, to help to intensify that that shimmer shade. And then I've also wet this brush with that Fix Plus and used that same shimmer shade on the eyeshadow. And I've actually applied that on my inner corner. Whatever is left over, I've actually applied it on my eyebrow bone and used a different brush, like my highlighter brush. And then I actually did applied it without wetting the brush, but when I've noticed that when I did spray a little bit of that Fix Plus and then applied it on the highlighter. It's actually giving me more pigment on the higher points of my cheekbones. I will list all the products from Flower Beauty that I've actually used today in the description box below. One is the eyeliner, Forever Wear long wear eyeliner, and I've got it in the shade Onyx. It's a very dark shade color, very soft when I swatch it, and also very soft when I apply it on my upper waterline. The ultimate, it's called the Zoom In Ultimate Mascara. They're claiming here volume, it curls and it lengthens your eyelashes. I actually like the brush. The brush is actually very easy to apply on my eyes, especially I've got a very short lashes and I've got hooded eyes. It's also got a I feel like it's got a dry formula, which is really good. These mascaras actually given me a volume and it lengthens a little bit of my lashes, but it actually didn't curl my lashes. So lastly is the Miracle Matte Lips. I've actually had them before. I've actually been using them. I've actually been loving these Miracle Matte Lips. It's actually easy to apply on your lips. So when it's giving you that cooling effect when you apply it on your lips, and after that it actually sets to a matte finish, but like a matte finish that doesn't dry your lips. At the moment I'm actually using the Soft Berry shade, so I'm just gonna swatch it, guys. So this is the Soft Berry shade. Okay, so the one is actually flexible, so I don't know if you guys can see it. It's actually flexible, which is really good. So it's actually easy to apply on your lips. The next shade that I've got is the Nude Blush. So this is the Nude Blush. So that's the Nude Blush. And then the next shade is the English Rose. So they pretty much got a similar shade, but I think this is more like a lighter shade than the middle one. Is this eye palette. I'm actually wearing these eyeshadows on my eyes today for 3 hours, and unfortunately it actually didn't last longer on my eyelids. Foundation doesn't last longer when you apply it directly on your eyes, especially with the with this shade here. I feel like the more I blend, the more the color will disappear on my eyelid. So I love wearing liquid lipstick, guys. They're actually more convenient for me, easy to apply. So with this particular Flower Beauty lip range, actually doesn't emphasize anything on my lips. It's actually giving me that that soft and comfortable feeling after applying the Miracle Matte Lip, and it doesn't dry my lips, so that's a good thing about it. It actually doesn't transfer. It's just giving that little bit of tint. Started eating, that's when it started to come off, but she can reapply it straight away. So this is the good thing that I actually like about it. Actually, I hope you've actually enjoyed today's video, guys. Please comment down below what video you want to watch next. Comment down below if you use any of these Flower Beauty products before. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.